let's talk about your favourite topic, shower grates.
Great gate.
I no longer want to talk about grates because I hate them so much. This stupid grate.
This grate's killing me, mate.
To refresh your memory, Harry and Tash had a grate. It was too long. So Tash bought this grate. It's too high.
So the issue we got is that distance there needs to be 25 mil. It's too high, this one, so the water can't get into the grate to go out.
In other words, the edge of the grate will be higher than the surrounding floor, and the water won't drain away.
I don't know what's happened. Someone's got their math wrong.
Yeah, someone has.
So what are they going to do?
He wants to put a tile there so the tile can actually fit in flush with the grate.
So you're going to double tile?
Yeah, double tile.
What Harry and his tiler Sam are proposing is to use a double layer of tiles to build up the fall to the grate.
So we've got to come up. Wow.
See how much?
Got to come up quite a lot. Look, I've never done it like that. If it was my personal job, I wouldn't be doing it.
Yeah, things aren't great with the grate.
You had great expectations.
Great expectations that weren't met. Because the grate wasn't great.
And that's not great.
No, not great.
It's the great debate.
No, it's a great gate.
It's the great debate.
Oh, it's a great debate. There you
We've
go.
been debating the grate all
The great.
day.
Oh, there you go.
OK, so here's the state of play. Tash bought a grate for their shower, which wasn't great. It was too long. Then she bought another grate. Not great either. Too high. They want to double tile so they can use the second grate. Dan doesn't think it's a great idea.
Some great expectations going on down here at House One today.
I'm sure this is grating on everyone's nerves.
Hey, Dan, that's the original one. That's the original one.
In a bid to get this sorted, Dan has a look at the original grate,
So,
which, according to Harry's measurements, was too long.
Your shower's 900 wide, which will probably work.
all right.
So was my original purchase of the floor drain correct?
Is he making design decisions without you?
I don't know. I just got a call yesterday while I was trying to do my shopping for the room saying, can you drive to Kew to please get me a new floor grate?
So after all that runaround, the original grate will fit perfectly.
Oh, poor Dad.
You know when look, and if I was doing it, it'd be different. But anyway, look, it's a learning curve.
Are you blaming me for this?
No, it's not your fault.
Who are you blaming?
Who are you blaming? So I think today Dad should learn to trust his daughter a little bit more.
You're correct. You're right.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
You're right.
No. Listen in my
Do I have to take you to the Ionia hospital to get your ears checked?
I don't know, maybe you need to, because you didn't listen to me initially. What did we learn?
We learned to go over the design of the room and make sure it does actually work functionally in regards to water.
And make sure the
And drainage.
measurements provided are correct.
Anyway,
Oh, how do you
so we've got it great. We're going to put it in and we'll make it work.
Great.
Great.